What are we doing, Lace?
Camping. Last time in the camper.
We are going for one last camping trip before we sell the truck and camper. Saturday afternoon in June, a few weeks ago, on my build page on wanderthewest.com, I just posted that, you know, the camper is not quite the perfect rig for the growing family, so it might be time to move on. And someone called me up with a very nice deal, and so I said, all right, let's do it. So we're taking it out, got to clean it tomorrow. It's going into the shop for some new brakes, and then he flies in the following weekend. So stick around for our last four-wheel camper camping trip video for a while. Original. We'll probably get another one soon, but this is the one for now. So here we go. It was 4 years ago that Lisa and I first went camping in the redone camper. We got it 6 years ago,
Yep.
and then spent 2 years fixing it up. And we clamped in a little bit while we were fixing it. But here's a clip from that very first camp trip 4 years ago. We were very excited. Max was pregnant. Got a nice off-road like this with the house on the back. Looks like we have a perfect spot. We're gonna miss this. Let's get camp set up. A little bit of thunder in the air, but it's gonna be fine. This is really special. We are in Taylor Mountain in Boulder County, and we came here twice before. One time was right around 3 years ago, right after we had found out that Elise was pregnant with Patrick. We called it Little Lizard at the time, and we had a great camping trip, and we were super excited. Now we got this guy. And another one coming too. So shout out to Elise, the best wife ever. Literally 9 months pregnant. We're out camping. So we're only about 45 minutes from home. So we get to the hospital if we need to. Long's Peak's over there somewhere in the clouds. That's Meadow Mountain. That's St. Vrain Mountain. I've been skiing up there in the summer quite a few times. There's a ton of videos about it. It's really fun. You can drive a far way up there with a good 4x4. And then you just like hike up this super steep hill, and you're skiing in no time for the middle of July. So it's pretty rad.
I was walking by the ocean, feeling all the motion. When she came right up next to me, I got caught up in the moment. Felt like we were frozen, like it was literally meant to be. Time stood still right there. Time stood still right there.
Hanging out, little rain in the camper. Just made myself a perch on the cooler. I've never done that before. It's such a good call. Last time in it, finally figured out where to sit. We took all the cushions out. Big game changer. Definitely, that was totally the right call. Those cushions just took up too much space. Nobody really needed them. And also, the other thing that we did recently was we stopped using lids. Another game changer, just less is more. So, got a little bit of rain coming in. Gonna hang out in here and then get a fire going. Elise, any words about the camper?
Blood, sweat, and tears. And happy memories too, but definitely has a lot of history.
Maybe we shouldn't sell it.
Good memories.
This has been good. waiting for the blue skies to come back. They're right there. We can see them.
Happens every time.
Every time. Just like our wedding.
True.
Good call. Going to get some firewood. Absolutely perfect. Perfect summer day. Father's Day tomorrow. Good day to be a father.
Somewhere other than next to me, 'cause time stood still right there. Time stood still right there. We wrote the song, we became one. We wrote the song, we became one.
Just went for a great hike. Time to get dinner going. Burgers tonight on the fire. Just finished dinner. Had some great burgers. Liz, how we doing?
Great.
Doing great. Enjoying it. Very windy. Other than that, we're doing perfect. No rain.
I was walking by the ocean, feeling all emotion. When she came right up next to me, I got caught up in the moment. Felt like we were frozen, like it was literally meant to be. Time stood still right there. Time stood still right there. We wrote the sun, we became one. We wrote the sun, we became one.
Morning hike. What day is today, Patrick?
Father's Day.
Father's Day hike. Walking down the road together. Perfect way to spend the day.
I would never have expected, feeling so connected. It must have been our destiny. And now I know I'll never let this ever end in somewhere other than next to me. 'Cause time
Backing up camp. Two things I always remember to do. Check my turnbuckles because they often loosen up a little bit on the rough roads. And turn off my propane. The two golden rules when packing up camp. You want to check that your latches are done too, obviously.